Ladies and gentlemen, Brian Manchester, Manchester & Associates. I'm standing outside of my office in Bellefonte, Pennsylvania in Center County, where I just got back from a preliminary hearing for a first offense DUI. In that case, after reviewing all the evidence, the test results, and speaking with the district attorney, the best course of action was to enter my client into the ARD program. And I'd like to talk to you about what the ARD program is, ladies and gentlemen. ARD stands for Accelerated Rehabilitative Disposition. It's a diversionary program. Most people think when you go to court, you're charged with the crime, you either plead guilty or go to trial. Well, ARD avoids all of that. ARD, if you get on the program, it lasts up to 12 months. You do not go to jail on ARD. And always remember this, ladies and gentlemen. While you're on ARD, you are not considered convicted. So if you get the ARD program, you successfully complete it, which I sure hope you do. If you're ever asked, have you been convicted, you always answer no. Because while you're on the program, you're not convicted. When the charges are dismissed, you're definitely not convicted. Now, the one thing you can do after you're done with the ARD is file for an expungement. You can erase your record, so to speak, in the state court system. But you must note, the ARD is going to be noted in your driving record, ladies and gentlemen. So if you're ever asked the question, have you been arrested? You should probably say yes, because if they check your driving record, they will see you were given an ARD. And if you're not truthful on that question, you may not get the job. And depending on who's asking the question, you could be charged with false statements. If it's a government job, the feds take that very seriously, ladies and gentlemen. But there's a lot of advantage to the ARD program out there. But before, and I stress this, just because you're a first-time offender, before you consider taking the ARD program, make sure that you look at all of the evidence, understand the test results, explore the defenses to your case. Because there's been many times in my career where I've had clients who are eligible for ARD. Generally, that can be a good disposition in the first offense, but we chose to fight it because the facts were in their favor and it's worked out for them. And here's some more stuff you need to know about ARD, ladies and gentlemen. If convicted of a DUI, you lose your license for 1 year, plus you have to put an interlock device on your car. That's like the blow and go and toxilizer, all different kinds of names for that. It's expensive and a real pain. You avoid that 1 year of license loss plus 1 year of interlock. If you get any suspensions, it's based upon what type of DUI you're charged with. If you're charged with general impairment or blood alcohol content below 0.1, that's the lowest tier. You get no license suspension. If you have a blood alcohol content between 0.1 and 0.159, or you're a truck driver, you lose your license, driver's license, 30 days. If you're charged with drug-based DUI or have a blood alcohol content greater than 0.16, you lose your license 60 days. If you're a minor, that means somebody under 21 charged with a DUI, and that is the charge that you get put on the ARD for, you lose your license for 90 days. There's some other particulars, but those are the main highlights of the ARD program. Again, I stress, if you're a first-time offender, explore that program, but only after all the work has been done to make sure that is the program. Just don't automatically take it, because it's not always a good result in the case if you have defenses. Thank you for your time, ladies and gentlemen. This is Brian Manchester. If you'd like to know more about the ARD program or the laws in general about DUIs or any other criminal offense, please give us a call. Thank you very much.